Hello everyone, and welcome back to Python School. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or you're a seasoned developer brushing up on the basics, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to build a function to generate the Fibonacci sequence. Let's jump right into the code. We start by creating a function. Think of this as a recipe that we name Fibonacci. It takes one input, n, which tells the program how many numbers we want to see. Now, notice the indentation. That's how Python knows this code belongs inside our function. We initialize two variables. A starts at 0 and b starts at 1. These are our starting points. We need a place to store our sequence, so we create a list called result. In Python, square brackets mean an empty container ready to hold data. This is a loop. It tells Python to repeat the following instructions n times. We use an underscore because we don't need to count the steps. We just want the action to repeat. Inside the loop, we use .append. This plugs our current value of a into the end of our list. It's like adding a new bead to a string. Here is the logic. We update our variables simultaneously. The new takes the value of b, and the new b becomes the sum of the two. This shifts our focus to the next number in the pattern. Once the loop is finished, we return the result. This sends the completed list back to us so we can use it elsewhere. Finally, we call our function for 10 numbers and use print to show the output on the screen. Let's run it, and there you have it. When we run this, we get the classic sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python bites.